Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 10 Update Current, and a Microsoft account signed into the store. Once done, open Microsoft Store, search for the official Bing Wallpaper app, and tap Install. Make sure background apps are allowed so the wallpaper can update automatically. While installing, grant permission for the app to run at startup and access the internet. This ensures images can download and change daily without manual intervention. Now proceed to configure the app settings after install completes. Once the app opens, you'll see preview images and options. Set the update frequency to daily for fresh photos. Select which monitors will receive the wallpaper and adjust scaling, fill, fit, or center so images look correct on multiple displays. Enable or disable the lock screen image if you want consistent visuals across login. Make sure to toggle Include Related Content if you want image captions. Finally, confirm any permissions prompts so the app can auto-download high-resolution versions for your display. To finish, watch for the first automatic wallpaper change and confirm high-res images downloaded to the app folder. If nothing changes, restart the Bing Wallpaper app and, if required, reboot Windows to apply settings. Make sure Windows background service and network access are active. Sign out and back into your Microsoft account if permission issues persist. If problems continue, update the app from Microsoft Store or reinstall it. That refreshes settings and clears corrupted caches, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.